Hey YouTube, we're supposed to get snow here on Monday night, Tuesday. So I decided to I haven't run the 5665 in some time, so I thought, hey, why not? Let's just start it up and run it. So I did, and this is what happened. So, no idea why it's spewing out gas. I don't know if the pump is overly working or if the needle's blocked or what, but I'm going to do just a quick, hopefully just a carb rebuild and then put it back on and get it back up and running, because can't have it spewing gas. When I shut the gas off, like here, obviously the problem went away. So I think what it is just the needle is just stuck open. So I'm just going to clean it, put some new gaskets in and stuff, and throw it back on and try it out. So let's get to it. So this is my first time working on a Kohler carb. Wow, it actually has a lot of gas in it. I didn't realize there was so much gas in it. So I'm going to just tear it apart, and I got a kit. I bought a kit off of Amazon a little while ago. So the part number 257570-1-S. So let's open it up and see what we got. So I got it open. This gasket's a total wreck, so that's got to go. But yeah, definitely got the crystals and crud in there. So I'm going to spray that out with carb cleaner and take a deeper look. So I got the float off. Good news is the float's in good shape. So don't know if that's designed to have something down there, or if that's a piece of crud down there. So let me get something in there and clean it out. Well, got the old valve seat out, and there was definitely some crud in it. So hopefully that's the cause of the issue. It's weird. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. The old one, you basically take it out using a flat blade screwdriver. The new one doesn't have that slot cut, but it's got no holes on the side, and then it's got a hex head on it, which is a little different. So I'm hoping it's just the crud. So I think I'm maybe just leave the original in there, or maybe just put the new one in. I don't know. I'll take a crack at the new one and see if it's which one's easier. But it definitely looked like there was some crud in there. So all right, so I basically just put the original stuff back in, hoping it's just the little bit of crud that was in the bowl that came down. That must have. I'll take a look to see if there's a filter on the unit. There might not be. Hopefully that was what was just keeping the needle open, and gas just kept pouring in, which I saw before. The last time I ran it, I saw a lot of gas leaking out of it. So I'm hoping that's all it is. It was definitely, it started to smooth. The engine started to smooth out right when I shut the gas off, and it was, it wasn't running as hard or running as rich. So let's finish getting this back together and back on the unit. Got the carb back on. Everything obviously went on fairly easy. I just, the bolts that bolt it on are a bit of a pain in the ass. Luckily they have a slot in them, but because there's no room to really get a wrench in there. So let me set up the camera. I'll probably cheat a little bit and just use the starting fluid just to give it a little bit of a punch initially, and then hopefully we're not spewing gas again. So let me set the camera up. Sweet, that did the trick. And actually solved the other issue. It was running way too rich. So the fact that it wasn't spewing gas constantly in there, I'm not, I don't know if you noticed that I had to, constantly tweak the choke for a little bit in there while I was adjusting the main jet. So once I opened up the main jet, it started to run rough, and then I could push the choke in. So sweet. This thing's hopefully ready. It's funny, I attached the jumper box, but I actually didn't turn it on. That's why I was like, struggling to start. But hey, I'm psyched. That was somewhat of a quick job. Hopefully, I don't show up on Tuesday with this thing spewing gas somewhere. So, all right. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later.